James Burke, Watercraft Technologies. Today we're going to show you how our new system, the remote control wireless system, how to put it onto your battery and how it works in general. So let's take our battery. This system is really very easy to connect to your battery. It comes with a red for the positive, a black for the negative, a plug for your motor, and this blue is the antenna. It also comes with two remote control fobs, like key fobs like in your car. So let's set it up. We have our battery here. This is how easy it is. Red goes to the positive. Black goes to the negative. Our motors now with this system come a little bit longer, probably about 18 inches longer, so you can reach any place you want to in the stern of the boat, of your kayak. Plug it in. It only goes one way. You can't go wrong. Like I said, it comes with two on and off switches. It's very easy to see the on and the off. On, off. On, off. On, off. These fobs also have a clip that you can clip it onto your PFD or onto a piece close to you, or maybe a pad eye, whatever's easiest for you to use that. These are not waterproof, but they are water resistant. So be careful with them. That's why we're sending you two, just in case you lose one. Anyway, we hope you're going to enjoy our remote control wireless system while you're out on the water. This is James Burke from Watercraft Technologies. Hope to see you out on the water.